Do you get paid for naming a company? As a matter of fact, you do. So I typed this in Google, do you get paid for naming a company? And trust me, there are a list of companies, websites that come up where they pay you to name businesses online. For example, you could see the first one is called webemploy.com. It pays you, for suggesting company names. The next one, you've got Penny Holder, and it goes on and on and on. And it's really strange to find out that people can't come up with their own company names. But well, anyways, I guess they are really too busy to name their own companies, or they might be having a lot of funding that they just want to give it away. Either way, it's good for us, and we are gonna, make money online by this method. All right, so in the previous video, I talked about a website, and you would find the link, to that about here. And we talked about a website where, you get to name a company and they pay you online. And there is another website today that I have read and I have seen that, there are a lot of chances of, getting money online with this website. So this one is called Squall Help. Right now, before going into how much, they have paid and stuff, that I just want to tell you that, if you click on, explore names for sale on this web page, you would get the idea how this works. All right, now I am not exaggerating, but this is the price for these names. All right, so if you want a name like ClickMod, you got to pay $3,645. If you want a name like Skillworthy, you got to pay $2,500. Well, it's kind of funny for me to find out that people actually, pay this much to purchase a name online, and I don't really know, that if there are people to do that, and the sad part is they've also got options to pay in installments, right? So this is pretty hilarious, but it's a good thing. Like if you want a name like Boss Steel, you got to pay around, well, okay, this is a domain name, but still, you got to pay a lot, right? But anyways, so my point is you come to Squall Help and you come to naming contests and you click on active contests. So when you click on active contests, it's going to take you to another page which has all the contests that are lined up. So scroll all the way to the bottom, and don't forget to read all this, how the naming contests work, and check out everything. But go all the way down below and you will get to know about the contests that are active. Now if you look at the active contests, you could see there is an option here where they pay you $300, right? You could see $300 for if you come up with a name for a health and wellness business. Right now there are 1,152 entries online, and there are 6 days and 4 hours left. Now, so the chances are pretty slim. So if you can see, there are so many active contests going on, but there are almost like 1,000 and plus entries. But you could try for something where there are less entries. Now, for example, this one is got 2 days and 2 hours left, and there are only 137 entries, and you need to come up with a name for a holiday home brand, right? So try something where there are very few people who have participated in such entries with very less entries. So that would probably help. Now if you look at this one, there are 118 entries and you get paid $225. So now, to be honest, I've not tried this, as in I've not won anything. So I have given a couple of names, but I've not got any response yet. So I don't know if those names are not good enough, but you can go ahead and give it a try. Now to do that, there are so many, ideas and so many websites that can help you get names, and you don't have to waste time or crack your brains and try to think about it. So go to this website called businessnamegenerator.com, and you can type in something like this. Let's say we are going to type in something like technology, and it's going to give you a list of beautiful names. So you could just check that out. There's so many beautiful names: Techscape, Slab Tech, Earn Technology. There is a lot of beautiful ideas. So what we need to simply do is just take a couple of names from this, and and paste it here in the active competition. So this is to name a tech startup. So you could probably take like Hustle Technology. If you really like that, go ahead and then and submit it, and then you might get lucky. Now the chances are is not too high, but it is a possibility. And what have you got to lose? Probably a minute or two of time. But what if you win? You could get around $225 or $300, depending on the offer or the active competition that is the contest that is going on. Right. So another beautiful site that that I've been talking about was Namelix. This is also a beautiful place where you can get good ideas. So let's type in technology here again and see what it's going to say, and then you always click on hi, so you get some good stuff. So look, there are so many good ideas like Tech Lab. You can cyber tech. Probably they would like names like this, TechWise, TechWise, Infotech. You could just go ahead and be creative if you want to add things on your own. So that's all about this video, and go to this website called Squad Help and scroll all the way to active contests, and go to the other two sites where you get to name businesses, generate the name from there and just submit it. It's going to take you a couple of minutes of your time, but if you get lucky or if somebody likes it, then you can really be lucky, isn't it? And there are so many people who have won competitions, and if you go through the website, you could see that they would show you that the previous people who have won competitions and stuff like that. So that's it, and it's pretty easy. So make use of these two websites, the previous one and the one which we looked today, which is Squad Help, and just go ahead and probably do it like even once a week. And what if you get lucky once, right? So, or you could just put your eggs everywhere and keep trying and trying, and you might probably get a good amount of money. So I hope that was really helpful. So Squad Help, guys, I am waiting that somebody would like the name I've given for a couple of businesses, but there's nothing promising till now. But well, maybe you could give it a shot as well. So I will see you all again in the next video, and until then, you guys stay safe.